This literature kit on When You Reach Me by Rebecca Stead uses a variety of activities to help students figure out the mystery of the novel. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Figure out what book Miranda is reading to Belle based on the clues from the story. Identify the instructions given to Miranda in the second note. Predict what will happen with Julia and Miranda's relationship once their conflict comes out in the open. Explain who the laughing man is, his purpose, and the steps he took to prepare Miranda for his mission. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as exploring racial prejudice in the novel through the eyes of Miranda, and writing a letter to Jimmy sharing your feelings on the subject. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Choose a major event from the novel and complete the concept map with the appropriate details. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.